How to install LinkedIn app in laptop. So if you want to download or install the LinkedIn app in your laptop, then first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Microsoft Store. Just click on it and open the Microsoft Store application. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, you just need to go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for LinkedIn. Once you search for LinkedIn, now here you will have your LinkedIn application. Simply click on LinkedIn. Once you click on it, here you will have get option, right? So simply click on get, or you may also have a button of install. Click on install or get, and it will start the download process. So it might take some time to download. It will show you the percentage. So just wait for some time till it downloads. And once it downloaded, you can simply go for your Windows search and search for LinkedIn application, and you will have your LinkedIn. So that's how you can download. And LinkedIn has just got installed. So you can simply click on launch, or you can pin to start, or you can simply go for the search and search for LinkedIn, and here you will have your LinkedIn application. So that's how you can install LinkedIn on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.